we've just got our first HelloFresh box. So here it is. We've got the 2-person 3-day meal plan. Yeah, 2-person 3 days. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it's like. Okay, so I've changed the camera angle because the box is shaking the floor, but we're gonna open it up now. I'm just gonna cut it open. The first thing I see in here is a bag, which I think is all the chilled food. And then in here, discount codes and the recipe sheets, it looks like. What we got in for this week is a cottage pie, pork and pepper tacos with chips, sesame seed, pickled red onion, smoky barbecue chicken, and black bean loaded wedges with chipotle cheese and spring onions. So those are the 3 we've gotten. 2 of those were the customer's favourites, so the last 2. And then in here, not gonna lie, package has gone open a bit, but I think that might be due to how the guys delivered it to us. We had the box the wrong way around. Some more. This one's got a lot. This. Well, at the bottom here, it says welcome to HelloFresh. One of the good things about HelloFresh is that it actually reduces the amount of waste. It's good for the environment. I mean, it's got recipes, meals ready. One problem I always have is that we have a bunch of ingredients in the house, but I don't know what to make with it, or there's like one missing ingredient or too much of something. And with this, it just means that everything's there, like it's all good. We'll see how this goes. I'll be cooking one of these today. I'm not sure which one to pick, we'll see, but I'm gonna open up what's inside each package to see, and yeah, see you in the kitchen. So to just give you a better look of what we were given, here is the recipes. Welcome to HelloFresh. The ingredients, this one did rip slightly, but it looks like it's okay. And here is the frozen foods. So I put my glasses on and I'm now in the kitchen. And I'm gonna just open everything up. As you can see my lovely collage of magnets that I put together on the fridge. This is put me in the fridge same day yesterday. Ice, ice, baby. It says, do not drink, empty me or reuse me, please. Could actually put this in the fridge and use this to cool something else down since we are in like peak summer. So this is mature cheddar. Look how small that is. Definitely can see what they mean by no waste. Some mince, pork mince, a singular onion, some more cheddar, but this one's less. This is 30 grams. It's all measured out. More cheddar, diced chicken thigh. We've got some beef mince as well, peas, and I think that's everything in here. Put the ice back in there. I'll see if my mum wants to keep the ice to cool things down, because you never know, cooling something down. I don't know. Picnic, maybe. I don't know. Hey, everyone. One in these packets. So each of them are for a different day. I don't know which day any of them are for yet, so we're gonna have to open them up to see. You see this bag? Completely ripped. But in there, there's carrot. I think this is for the cottage pie. Apple cider vinegar. Maybe it's not actually. Chipotle paste. No, this isn't for the potatoes. Wow, so you like actually make the wedges? Because I saw the wedges. I wasn't sure if they were going to send us wedges to just put in the oven. Barbecue sauce. I've completely forgotten the name of this. Is it like a spring onion or something? Black beans. So that was in this one. Oh, they're actually numbered. The numbers in the corner here are on the bags. So that was 37. This, which I've been actually excited to try, so quite happy. This looks really good, and it takes, this is the longest one actually, 40 to 45 minutes, medium spice. One of your one of your five a day and a customer favorite. With this one, it's potatoes, barbecue sauce, cider vinegar, chipotle paste, diced chicken thigh, spring onion, carrot, mature cheddar cheese, black beans. Oh, and diced chicken breast, but my mum wanted thigh instead of breast, so we've got thigh. So ours was a sub. We didn't substitute for the chicken breast, we just kept the thigh. You can actually substitute some of your meats for these recipes, which is also good because people like different things, you know? I'm gonna put the ones I'm not using in the fridge and get back to you. Also, just wanted to say it, for some reason I said onion. This is garlic. I don't know why I said onion. Garlic, okay? So these are the ingredients for the first recipe all laid out. And this is the recipe sheet. Ignore our pan, it's gone through a lot, but here are the potatoes chopped up. I've got this ready and I'm going to put some salt, pepper and oil on this and then pop it in the preheated oven. Boiling the chicken now, yay! Here they are in the ramekins and I've added beans, carrot, and now I'm just gonna add the potatoes and cheese and spring onions, can't forget that. I actually made a mistake. These were supposed to go on the bottom, so I took it out and put it back in. So now the beans and chicken's on the top. So this is how it looked before going in the oven, and this is how it looked after I took it out the oven. So here are the tacos for day 2. They turned out very nice. Yum. Got some fries on the side. But yeah. And here is day 3, cottage pie. Since starting HelloFresh, I've had over 130 meals from them. Overall, I can say they've been good. It's introduced me to dishes I've never had, whilst helping us reduce our waste. There have been times when ingredients have been forgotten to be sent out. We were reimbursed, but it meant we couldn't make the dish without going out to the shops, defeating the whole purpose. Aside from those few times, I'm glad to say that we've had a positive experience.